Joshua abesiga mukama orukurugo mu cyaro cya Bituntu omurugo hotawono Kansuntunga mu district omweji w'ishomero rya St Helens Primary School Nyamitanga n'omwe abeegi barikuza kushitamira ebigyezo bya PRO eby'omwaka ogu kandi ogutarukweza.
Other candidates who are going to sit with me in the exams is to tell them that they should read the question thrice, check the answer they are going to put twice so that they write the correct thing and they understand the question.
Christ, any instant of love, any participation in the spirit.
Ogu tarukumaha kushoma ebitabo konka na eshongoro tiroho no kushoma amashomo mu kereziya.
Because we don't neglect them that they study alone, but they study together with other children. And they excel, they go to secondary schools, and after secondary school, they move to universities. For example, here in Mbarara, after their P.7, they go to St. Peter's, Katukuru.
My challenge has been that people have been getting textbooks like past PRE to read. For us, we depend on the teacher's work, and for the other candidates who I study with, who use their past PRE papers.
Abesiga mukama n'abandi beegi batahibe bahasarwa erizoba barukwetegura ebigyezo bya PRO.
It is just encouraging that you be fun. You don't need to fear. I know you have been doing papers. You have been doing exams. Yeah, you have been doing exams since nursery. Please reference here that you have been doing exams, and the one you are going to do on 8th and 9th is like any other exam. You don't need to panic.
Abeegi nshanju n'omwe ab'ishomero rya St Helens Primary School nibo bahasarwa kushitamira ebigyezo bya PRO ebiro kwija kukorwa ha biro 8 hamwe n'ebiro 9 by'okwikumi kandi ahari aba abeegi bashatu n'empumi.
And I also thank for the priest who has been with us in this month and blessed us, and we are rest assured that we are going to pass our PLE.
I'm sure that we shall pass with flying colors because parents have played their role, teachers have done their part, we have revised enough.
Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.